Model 2017 Ford Transit 352.0 TDCI Luton box van needs turbo repair Euro 6 No Vat bargain. Body, silver, Luton box. Mileage 158191. MOT, the 7th of December 2025. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts runs but is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former